Think November is too late to start a garden? Here's why you're wrong. As the leaves turn and the chill sets in, most folks are packing away their trowels, but savvy gardeners like you and me are just getting started with indoor herbs that deliver endless harvests right through winter. Imagine plucking fresh, flavorful leaves from your windowsill while snow piles up outside. No more overpriced supermarket bundles that wilt in days. Today, we're unlocking the secrets to 7 profitable herbs you can grow indoors this fall, perfect for beginners and seniors with limited space. These easy gardening tips will supercharge your yields, saving you bundles on grocery bills and boosting your health with nutrient-packed freshness. Stick around till the end for my bonus tip on a simple hack that turns your herb garden into a money-making machine. You won't want to miss it. Let's dive in and transform your home into a thriving oasis. After years of gardening in tiny apartments and sprawling backyards, I've learned that indoor herb growing is a game changer, especially in fall when outdoor options fade. It's not just about the satisfaction of harvesting your own food. It's about unlocking real benefits that make life easier and healthier. For beginners, seniors, or urban dwellers with limited space, these herbs are low-maintenance dreams. No massive plots needed, just a sunny spot and some pots. You'll save serious cash. Instead of shelling out $3 to $5 per bunch at the store every week, grow your own for pennies and enjoy massive yields that keep giving. Health-wise, fresh herbs pack antioxidants, vitamins, and flavors that supercharge meals, reducing sodium intake and adding natural remedies for everything from digestion to stress relief. Plus, they're dual purpose, edible and ornamental, turning your kitchen into a green sanctuary. Easy gardening tips like these make it accessible, no green thumb required. I've helped countless folks avoid the nightmare of failed starts by focusing on profitable, perennial-like herbs that thrive indoors in USDA zones 5 to 11. Whether you're dodging high food prices or seeking a relaxing hobby, these will deliver. Let's get to the list and make this fall your most bountiful yet. The first herb, basil, your ticket to pesto paradise. Kicking off our list of 7 profitable herbs is basil, the king of indoor growers and a staple for massive yields this fall. With its lush green leaves and intoxicating aroma, basil isn't just pretty. It's a powerhouse from the Mediterranean, historically used in ancient remedies and now a culinary superstar. Picture vibrant, bushy plants reaching up to 2 feet tall in your window, ready to harvest in just 4 to 6 weeks. The benefits are endless. One plant can yield cups of leaves weekly, saving you $4 to $6 per store-bought pack. Nutritionally, it's loaded with vitamin K and anti-inflammatory compounds, perfect for heart health and adding zing to pizzas or salads. But watch for risks like overwatering leading to root rot. Nothing toxic here, though. For easy gardening tips, start with seeds or seedlings in well-draining potting soil, planting 1/4 inch deep with 6-inch spacing in pots. Ideal for indoors in USDA zones 5 to 11, it loves bright, indirect light. Aim for 6 hours daily from a south-facing window. Water when the top inch of soil dries, about every 3 to 5 days. And fertilize monthly with a balanced organic mix. Recommended varieties? Sweet basil for beginners, or Thai basil for exotic flavors. Pro tip: seasoned gardeners know to pinch the tops regularly to encourage bushier growth and prevent flowering, which can bitter the leaves. This insider trick doubles your harvest. I've seen plants produce non-stop for months with this method. Visualize on screen a before and after of a spindly basil turning into a leafy monster. The second herb, mint, the invigorating invader that pays off big. Next up in our easy tips for massive yields is mint, a refreshing herb that'll turn your indoor space into a mojito factory this fall. This perennial powerhouse, with its crinkled green leaves and menthol scent, hails from Europe and Asia, where it's been cherished for centuries in teas and medicines. It grows vigorously, often reaching 1 to 2 feet, making it ideal for limited spaces. Benefits shine bright. Mint's rapid growth means harvests every 2 weeks, slashing your tea or garnish costs by $3 to $4 per bunch. Health perks include digestive aid and natural breath freshener, plus it's a mosquito repellent plant when placed near windows. Risks? It's invasive, so contain it in pots to avoid takeover, non-toxic but aggressive. Planting is a breeze for beginners and seniors. Sow seeds 1/8 inch deep in rich, moist soil, spacing 8 inches apart. Thrives indoors in USDA zones 5 to 11 with partial shade and consistent moisture. Water every 2 days to keep soil damp but not soggy. Varieties like peppermint for intensity or spearmint for mildness are top picks. Insider trick? To supercharge yields, divide roots every few months. This regenerates plants and gives you extras to sell or gift. You'll regret skipping this if you're after profitable herbs. My mint patches have funded entire garden upgrades. On screen, show a time-lapse of mint exploding in a pot. The third herb, chives. Snip and grow onion magic for endless flavor. Our third profitable herb is chives, the slender, grass-like wonders that bring oniony punch without the tears. These allium family members, native to Europe and Asia, have been garden favorites since ancient times for their mild flavor and pretty purple flowers. Indoors, they form clumps up to 1 foot tall, perfect for windowsills. Yields are massive. Snip leaves as needed and they'll regrow quickly, saving $2 to $3 per supermarket bundle weekly. Nutrition? High in vitamins A and C, supporting immunity and vision. Great for seniors. Dual benefits: edible stems and ornamental blooms that attract pollinators if you move them outdoors later. Risks include mild toxicity to pets, so keep elevated. Easy gardening tips start with planting bulbs or seeds 1/2 inch deep in loamy soil, spacing 4 inches. Suited for USDA zones 5 to 11 indoors with full sun, 4 to 6 hours. Water moderately every 4 days, letting soil dry slightly. Garlic chives add variety with a twist. Pro tip: cut from the outside to encourage inner growth. This keeps plants productive for years. Seasoned folks harvest in the morning for peak flavor, a simple hack for restaurant-quality taste at home. Imagine the regret of buying wilted chives when yours are fresh and free. The fourth herb, parsley, the nutrient dynamo that's deceptively simple. Halfway through our list, and we're on to parsley, the curly or flat-leafed hero that's more than just a garnish. Originating from the Mediterranean, this biennial has a rich history in folklore as a symbol of vitality. Indoors this fall, it grows compactly to 1 foot, offering lush foliage for urban gardeners. Profitable perks: harvest outer leaves continually for months, cutting store costs by $3 per bunch. Packed with iron, vitamin C, and antioxidants, it boosts bone health and detoxification. Edible and ornamental, it freshens air naturally. Watch for over-fertilizing, which can cause bitterness, safe otherwise. For beginners, soak seeds overnight, then plant 1/4 inch deep in fertile soil, spacing 6 inches. Indoor friendly in USDA zones 5 to 11 with bright light. Supplement with grow lights if needed. Water every 3 days to maintain even moisture. Italian flatleaf for robust flavor or curly for decoration. Insider trick: to avoid the nightmare of leggy plants, rotate pots weekly for even growth. This maximizes yields dramatically. You'll supercharge your salads effortlessly. If these easy gardening tips are sparking your green thumb, hit that like button and subscribe for more indoor herb secrets. Share in the comments which herb you're starting first. I read every one. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Let's grow together. The fifth herb, cilantro, zesty leaves for global cuisine adventures. Moving on to cilantro, the divisive herb that's a dream for flavor lovers and profitable yields indoors this fall. With feathery leaves resembling flat parsley, it traces back to ancient Egypt and is key in Asian, Latin, and Middle Eastern dishes. Grows to 1 foot tall in pots, ideal for small spaces. Benefits abound. Quick harvests in 3 to 4 weeks mean savings of $4 per fresh bunch. Plus, it's rich in detoxifying compounds and vitamins for liver health. Dual purpose: leaves for eating, seeds, coriander for spices. Risks: bolts and heat, so keep cool. Non-toxic but polarizing in taste. Practical tips: plant seeds 1/4 inch deep in sandy soil, spacing 4 inches. Thrives in USDA zones 5 to 11 indoors with morning sun and afternoon shade. Water lightly every 2 to 3 days to prevent damping off. Bolt-resistant varieties like Santo are beginner-friendly. Pro tip: succession plant every 2 weeks for continuous supply. This avoids the regret of running out mid-recipe. Seasoned gardeners succession sow to maintain massive yields. Visualize a relay of pots on screen. The sixth herb, rosemary, woody wonder for memory and roasts. Our sixth herb in this lineup of profitable indoor growers is rosemary, the evergreen shrub with needle-like leaves and a piney, earthy scent that's been a Mediterranean staple since Roman times, symbolizing remembrance and used in ancient healing. Indoors this fall, it forms upright bushes up to 2 feet, making it a low-maintenance ornamental for seniors and beginners in tight urban spots. Yields pay off handsomely. Clip sprigs is needed for continuous harvest, saving $5 to $7 per store package monthly. Health benefits include improved cognition from its antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Plus, it's a natural mosquito repellent plant. Edible and decorative, it adds structure to your windowsill garden. Risks: overwatering causes rot, and it's toxic to pets in large amounts, so position carefully. Easy gardening tips: start with cuttings or plants in gritty, well-draining soil, planting at the same depth as the root ball with 12-inch spacing. Perfect for USDA zones 5 to 11 indoors with full sun, 6 to 8 hours. Water sparingly every 7 to 10 days, allowing soil to dry completely. Varieties like Tuscan Blue for upright growth or Prostratus for trailing appeal. Pro tip: to boost massive yields, mist leaves weekly to mimic humidity. Seasoned gardeners swear this prevents tip burn and encourages denser foliage. You'll regret not trying this for roasts that taste like a chef's dream. On screen, compare a thriving rosemary to a store-bought dried version. The seventh herb, thyme. Tiny leaves, huge savings, and versatility. Wrapping up our 7 profitable herbs is thyme, the creeping aromatic with small oval leaves that's thrived in European gardens for millennia, valued in thymol-rich remedies and as a culinary essential. Indoors, it stays compact at 6 to 12 inches, ideal for limited space and easy for beginners or seniors to manage. Massive yields await. Harvest stems regularly, regrowing swiftly to cut costs by $2 to $4 per fresh bundle. Nutritionally, it's antimicrobial, aiding respiratory health with vitamin C and iron. Dual benefits: edible for soups and ornamental with tiny flowers. Watch for powdery mildew in humidity, non-toxic otherwise. Planting is straightforward. Sow seeds 1/8 inch deep in sandy soil, spacing 6 inches. Suited for USDA zones 5 to 11 indoors with bright light 4 to 6 hours. Water every 5 days when topsoil dries. Lemon thyme for citrus notes or common thyme for classic flavor. Insider trick: strip leaves from the bottom up to promote branching. This supercharges production, turning one plant into a perpetual supplier. Pro gardeners prune after flowering to avoid woodiness, a hack for year-round freshness. Imagine the nightmare of bland meals without this. There you have it, 7 profitable herbs to unlock endless harvests indoors this fall. Basil for pesto dreams, mint for invigorating teas, chives for onion magic, parsley as a nutrient dynamo, cilantro for zesty adventures, rosemary to boost memory and roasts, and thyme for versatile savings. Remember, thinking November's too late? You're wrong. These easy gardening tips deliver massive yields with minimal effort, perfect for beginners, seniors, and urban spaces in USDA zones 5 to 11. They've saved me hundreds in grocery bills while providing health perks and ornamental beauty. No more regretting wilted store buys. As promised, here's your bonus tip. Turn scraps into starters by rooting herb cuttings in water before potting. This free propagation hack multiplies your garden into a money-making side hustle, selling extras at local markets for $10 to $20 per plant. It's the secret seasoned gardeners use to go from hobby to profitable passion. Get growing today and supercharge your home with these low-maintenance wonders. If you enjoyed this, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more indoor herb secrets. Share your experiences or favorite herbs in the comments below. Which one will you try first? Happy gardening, and may your yields be massive!